A straight line isn't just a mark on a page. It's a relationship following a perfect, predictable rule. In algebra, the secret code for every straight line in the universe is y equals mx plus c. Think of it like a recipe. M is the steepness and c is the starting point. Know those two numbers and you can map a line's path to infinity. Let's start with m, the gradient. This number tells you how steep the line is. A big M means you're climbing a steep mountain. A small m is a gentle hill. If m is positive, the line goes up from left to right. If it's negative, it slopes down, like you're skiing. The formula is simple: rise over run. For every step you take to the right, how many steps do you go up or down? An m of 3 means for every one step right, you go 3 steps up. Simple as that. Now for c, the y-intercept. This is even simpler. It's the exact point where the line crosses the vertical y-axis. It's the launch point. A c of 5 means the line starts 5 units up. A c of -10 means it starts 10 units below the origin. If c is 0, the line cuts right through the center. This one number literally shifts the entire line up or down the graph. So the lines y equals 3x plus 1 and y equals 3x minus 10 are parallel. Why? Because they have the same m, the same steepness. They just start at different c values. This equation is also a coordinate generator. Plug in any value for x and it spits out the exact y that sits on that line, proving whether a point belongs. So next time you see y equals mx plus c, don't see a formula. See the two secret ingredients that define any straight line: its steepness and its starting point. Master that, and you've mastered the code of the line.